Good morning, children. How are you? Say good morning, ma'am. I am fine. Thank you. Say good morning, ma'am. I am fine. Thank you. Okay? So, before starting our chapter, we will revise weekly learning. Okay? We will revise weekly learning. So, let's start. Vegetable of the week. Vegetable of the week is brinjal. 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 Vegetable of the week is brinjal. Brinjal means bagan. Brinjal. It's brinjal. Okay. Shape of the week. Shape of the week is rectangle. 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 Shape of the week is rectangle. Both sides are equal. Okay? इसके two sides क्या होती हैं? Equal होती हैं. Okay? Shape of the week is rectangle. This is rectangle shape. Alright? Next is color of the week. Color of the week is purple. Color of the week is purple. It's purple color. Okay? This is purple color. This is purple color. Color of the week is purple. 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 Next is sentence of the week. Welcome back to school. Sentence of the week is Welcome back to school. आपका स्कूल में दोबारा स्वागत है. Welcome back to school. Okay? Next is word of the week. Word of the week is welcome. 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 Word of the week is welcome. Welcome means swagat. Okay? Next is month of the year. Month of the year is July. 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 Month of the year is July. Okay? So children, this is your activity period. Okay? This is your activity period. So tell me, which season is this? Yes, this is rainy season. This is rainy season. बारिश का मौसम या वर्षा ऋतु. Okay? This is rainy season. So children, today we are going to learn how to draw a rainy season. Okay? With cotton pasting. Alright? So let's start. So children, firstly you have to need for making a drawing pencil, eraser, scale and crayon colors. Okay? And crayon colors and also cotton. Okay? Also you need to cotton. Okay? So let's start. Firstly take out your drawing file. Okay? आपको ये ड्राइंग फाइल में बनानी है ये एक्टिविटी. ओके? सो टेक आउट योर ड्राइंग फाइल एंड फर्स्टली मेक द बॉर्डर. ओके? लाइक आई डिड. So firstly you have to make the border. Now topic. Okay? Now write down the topic. Topic is rainy season. Okay? Rainy season. Put the day and date. Day is Wednesday. Okay? And the date is 7 July 2021. Okay? So now let's start. Okay, now firstly in the rainy season we will draw clouds. Okay, some clouds. This is the clouds. It's very simple, like this. Okay, it's a cloud. One more cloud, a small one. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the cloud. Okay, now we will draw an umbrella. Okay, which things we need in rainy season? Yes, raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. So we will draw an umbrella and a pair of gumboots. Okay, so firstly we will draw an umbrella. So draw like this, 3. Okay, 3 curved lines, 1, 2 and 3. 3 curved lines, then half circle or semicircle. Okay, all right, we have to draw like this. Okay, now you can use a scale. Okay, like this. Okay, this is an umbrella. Now like this. Okay, this is your umbrella. Now we will draw a pair of gumboots. Okay, so draw like English letter L. Okay, and like this. Okay, you have to draw like this. This is gumboot. The next one. Okay, so this is our gumboots. Okay, everyone, so this is our cloud, umbrella and gumboots. Okay, now we will make the border of these drawings. Okay, हम क्या करेंगे, इस drawing की border बनाएंगे. Okay, you have to make the border of these all things. Okay, like this. Now umbrella, now gumboots. Like this. Okay, and our clouds, we also need to draw. And you have to make the border of cloud like this. Okay, now erase the extra lines. Now take the cotton, okay, and you have to Fevicol, okay. Now we use Fevicol or glue, okay. You can use also glue, okay. Fevicol, glue. Now we will paste the cotton. Firstly, spread the glue. Okay, now take the cotton and paste it. Okay, tear and paste. Okay, children. Small pieces of cotton. Okay, this is our cotton pasting in clouds. Now you have to fill the color in umbrella, okay. This is red color. Fill the color properly. Now next green color. Now next blue color, okay. Make the umbrella colorful, okay, with different colors. This. And brown color here. Now gumboots. I took pink color, okay. So you have to color pink in gumboots. Alright. Pink and blue color. This is gumboot जो रेनी सीजन में पहनते हैं, ओके. So okay, now you have to take blue color and make the raindrops, okay, like this, raindrops, because it's the rainy season, okay. This is raindrops. Another one. Okay. So this is rainy season completed. All right. This is cotton pasting and rainy season. All right. So you have to draw like this in your drawing file. Okay, class. Okay, children. So draw this in your drawing file and click a picture and send it to your respective class teacher. Okay, so it's enough for today. Okay, thank you, class.